Okay, so we've been talking here in the classroom, and the question was, what is a noun? So some of us remembered what we might have seen on our paper, and you guys as well. And now you have lots of papers that tell you all of these things. We're rushing through them here in class. You can take as much time as you need to read through these papers. So what is a noun? It's a place or a thing. It's something that you can see or touch. It could be people, or it could be a person. Yeah, so the quick way people think of nouns is usually they say to themselves, person, place, or thing. Okay? So a noun is a person, a place, or a thing. Now, it gets a little bit tricky when we start thinking about things, because can we always see and touch things? No. So here's a question. Can you have love for someone?
Yes.
Then it becomes a noun, right? Love is also a verb, it's an action, but you can have love, so it can become a noun. Can you see and touch love? Not really. You can see and touch the people we love, right?
Exactly.
Yeah, so depending on how you use a word in a sentence, it could be a verb or it could be a noun, and that's where things get a little tricky. So generally, just for the beginning now, just think about the things that you can see and touch. All right? Think this to yourself. If you can have it, it's a noun. Okay? If you can have it, it's a noun. Okay? So I have patience. No, I don't. But I'm pretending I do. In that case, patience is a noun. Okay? Yeah. So think to yourself, if I can have it, it's a noun. Now here's the other tricky thing for all you German speakers out there. In German, and I only learned this when I started teaching this class, because I thought, always using these capital letters. So in German, I've learned, and you guys can teach me better, but all nouns are capitalized. So if you say table or chair or computer, it's going to have a capital letter, but that is not the case in English. Okay? There are certain nouns that are capitalized. We're not going to talk about that today. That's another thing. But I want you to just think person, place, or thing for nouns. Okay? So now, what you folks in here are going to do, I'm going to turn off the camera and you're going to do it at home, is you're going to do a rapid fire 2-minute brainstorm of all the nouns that you can think of that have to do, I'm going to give you a category or a topic, all the nouns you can think of when you are thinking about your family members or places in the house or places that you can go. So all the people, places, and things when you think of your family, and you think of the different places you can go and the different things you can do at those places. Okay?
So we have to write them down.
Yep, Karina's going to be your,
Okay.
oh sorry, that person's going to be your recorder. If you're not worried about spelling, do you need a piece of scrap paper? You're good? You're good? Okay. So you're going to write down all the nouns that you can think of in the next 3 minutes. On your mark, get set, go. Just look.